What up? It's your boy Nana, just like the number 7 in Japanese, back again with another video. So if you're new here, do well to subscribe to this channel, hit on the bell icon so you get notified anytime we drop another video. Like this video and do well to share so others can watch. So today I intend doing a fabric custom on this one here. So the things you're going to need for this custom is fabric, and I intend using this one. You're going to need tape, scissors, glue, brush, and a cutter knife. I can't find my X-Acto knife, so I'm going to use this cutter to do the cutting as well. So these are basically the only things you need for a fabric wrap custom. So let's get into this. So welcome back once again to the channel. Now let's get the customization ongoing. First just take off the laces from the shoes. I mean, you can still leave it on if you want, if it's not going to get in the way of whatever you're doing. But I'm going to take off the laces first and continue with the customization. So the laces are off now, and then I intend doing the wrap on all the white sides of the sneaker, and I'm going to leave this red Puma sign just as it is. So first I'm going to tape out all the sides that I intend putting the fabric on, so I can transfer the shape onto the fabric and then do the sticking later on. So you just need to make sure the tape gets like into all the tiny parts that you're gonna be putting the fabric on. So because I'm going to take this tape and stick it on the fabric, so you get the proper shape of the cutouts that you're going to be customizing. So just need to make sure you're getting everything. So I got almost all the parts taped out. It's left with this part, but I'm going to cut this side out first before I do that side, because the tape is overlapping and I might not get the proper shape. So I'm going to cut these patterns out first, and then I come to do this part, and then we do the sticking. So let's go on. Just need to be careful with this one so you don't mess up your sneaker or cut into the sneakers. So this is how the shoe is going to look, or this is where the fabric is going to be on when the shoe is done. So next I'm just going to take out the tape and then paste them on the fabric to cut out the patterns, and then put them back on the sneaker. Yeah, so now we are just going to cut out these pieces or these cutouts and then put them on the sneaker. Normally I like to cut leaving just a little space, or leaving just a little extra on the cutout, so like in case maybe like you made a mistake cutting it out, you still have extra to tuck it into the parts that it didn't cut out properly, so like it fits the space properly. So I usually leave out just a little extra fabric when I'm cutting out. So all the parts or cutouts has been done, so we are going to do the sticking now. I'm going to start from the toolbox. You can start anywhere you want, but then this time around I want to start from the toolbox. So let's go. Just put some glue and then use a brush to smear the glue on the part that you're gonna stick the fabric on. Just make sure it gets everywhere. We are kind of getting close to the finish of the sneaker. I'm just left with putting the fabric here and here. Then we lace this bad boy up and see how it looks. Yeah. And use your fingernails to push it into all the tiny or slim corners. You can either use the cutter or the scissors to do the same, but then normally you can just use your fingers or your fingernails to do that. After that, just make sure to press the fabric properly on the shoes. Just run so that it sticks properly. Now let's do the back. So our shoe is done now, almost. What is left with is finally just take your scissors and then just cut off the tiny or extra fabrics that is left on this, to give it a clean shave. Yeah. So after doing that, we just lace the shoes up and we're good to go. This is where your barbering skills gets useful. Yeah, I wonder why barbers keep doing this when they are cutting or when they are barbering your hair. They keep, magic fingers, why do you guys keep doing this when you are barbering our hair? Even when you're not cutting, you just cut a little piece of hair and then they keep doing this. Magic fingers. Magic fingers is one of the finest barbers in Tokyo. Anytime you are around Tokyo, look for Magic Fingers if you want to get a good haircut. He's in Ginza now. He moved from Shibuya to Ginza now. Holla at Magic Fingers if you need a cool haircut. If you need a transformation, holla at Magic Fingers. Magic Fingers, you owe me money. This is free commercials. You owe me money. Just to let you know, you owe money. You owe me money or free haircuts for like 3 Yes, yeah, you owe me money, man. Yeah, on a more serious note, he's one of the coolest or the finest barbers, black barbers in Tokyo. Hit him up and get your transformation. So he keeps doing this when he's barbering your hair. So let me just lace this bad boy up and we bring this video to an end. So this is what we have. I think it came out really nice. It's beautiful, and funny enough, it kind of looks like the kimono shoes they make. There is this brand that makes sneakers from the traditional kimono fabrics, and this kind of looks like one of them. I'm going to look for a picture of one of those shoes and then put on the screen so you see. I think this came out really nice. I left the Puma signs and then put this at the back and on the side, so like, you know, people will know which shoes you're wearing or which shoes I'm going to be wearing. Yeah, it came out really nice. I haven't worn this sneaker in years, or looking at this, the outcome of this customization, I think I'm going to be wearing it a little more often. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this customization in the comment section. Thanks for hanging out with me today too. Arigatou gozaimasu. Hit me up if you need a custom like this. See you in the next one. Adios.